Hey there! So, let's dig into the problem we encountered with the download file share artifacts at one task in Azure DevOps pipelines. The issue arose when the task selected a different package from the shared file system during deployment, even though we were expecting a specific artifact with the same Git commit. Quite a puzzling situation, right? Now, onto the solution that sheds some light on this mystery. It seems that if the target artifact is missing in the shared folder, the pipeline will download any other existing files from that location instead. In this case, it appears that the desired artifact 2023-1207 v2.074 patch 02.75085e9 wasn't properly published to the shared folder, leading to the selection of the available file 2023-1208 v2.74 patch 02.75085e.zip as the fallback option. A quick test by adding a new file to the shared folder and running the pipeline confirmed this behavior. In summary, the pipeline's behavior is such that it will fall back to existing files in the shared folder if the target artifact is not present. This mechanism ensures that some progress can still be made even if the expected artifact is missing, although it might lead to unexpected downloads. And with that, we've wrapped up our exploration of this intriguing scenario. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment for more tech adventures. Stay curious and keep on coding.